Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, March 28th. At 9:30 AM we have medium impact news plan for Japanese yen related currency pairs. 2:15 PM we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs. 6:30 PM we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. And from 7:30 PM we have high impacting and medium impacting news plan for US dollar related currency. So requesting you to plan your trades according to the news schedule. Let us begin with the gold analysis. So I am in daily time frame now, and I have already mentioned that this zone between 2012 to 1973 was acting as a very strong supply zone, and we can clearly notice that the price has got rejected from this supply zone and it is in a bearish side retracement in daily time frame. So for now, this support line of the bullish channel pattern is acting as a resistance line for the current price action. So the price action has to break this resistance line in order to continue its bullish side retracement in daily time frame. And in daily time frame we are noticing the price to make a bearish side trend reversal, but still the confirmation will come once the price action breaks this neck level of the double top pattern, which is going to be around 1937, after which we can expect a strong move on the bearish side. For now, the price action is in a sideways momentum in daily time frame. So these are all going to be the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. If the bearish side retracement continues, the next level of support is going to be around 1938. Once this support level is breached, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start. The next level of support is going to be around 1891, and once this support is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1814. Here also we have the neck level of the double bottom pattern, so we have to wait for the price action to break this neck level, which is going to be around 1858 or 1860, in order to get the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. But again, this level of 1891 is going to be the first target if the price action breaks this support level of 1938. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1937, next level of resistance is going to be around 2012 and 2066. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and we have noticed the price action to be trending on the bullish trend, and after testing the support level of 1936, we have noticed again to retest on this bullish channel pattern support line, which is now acting as a resistance line, and again the price action has retraced back to the support level of 1936. And in this process we have noticed the price action to make a double top. So once the price action breaks this previous support level, we can expect the bearish trend to start in 4 hours time frame also. And when we draw a trend line to check the current trend of the price action, we can clearly notice that it has broken the previous trend line or the support line, and this trend line is acting as a resistance line for the current price action. And even if the price action breaks this resistance lines, this level of 1973 will be acting as a very strong resistance, so we can expect the price action to trend on the bearish trend as long as this level of 1973 is not breached. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. So currently it is trying to break this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, but since the overall price action is in a bearish trend, even if the price action breaches this resistance line, we have a very strong resistance level of 1973. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a bullish side trend reversal to start. Till then, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. And this level of 1936 is a very strong support, and only when the price action breaks this support level of 1936 we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend. Till then we can expect the consolidation to continue within this strong resistance level and the strong support level. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1958 and support level of 1946, and currently the price action is in a bullish side retracement. If the price action breaks this resistance level of 1958, next level of resistance is going to be around 1966. Before that it has to break this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, and once these levels are breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 1973, 1983, 2000 and 2011. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaches this support level of 1946, next level of support is going to be around 1932. For now we are noticing the price action to trade on a sideways momentum within the higher time frame resistance level of 2011 and support level of 1932. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I mean 30 minutes time frame. Again for the 30 minutes time frame also I am drawing a trend line or a resistance line, and the price action has clearly given a breakout from this bearish trend and it is moving on a sideways momentum. You can get the confirmation on the bearish trend continuation once the price action breaks this trend line or support line from the 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1957 and resistance level of 1962. If the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1952, 1946 and 1936. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, next level of resistance is going to be around 1962, 1969, 1973 and 1979. For now wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. It could be on the bullish side or on the bearish side, but looking at the overall trend we can expect a breakout on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels in 15 minutes time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this support line from the 30 minutes time frame and the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. Wait for a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade in 15 minutes time frame. For now it is trading between the resistance level of 1959 or 1960 and support level of 1956. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1956, next level of support is going to be around 1954, 1952, 1950, 1948, 1945, 1941 and 1937 to 36. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.